Hello. So I'm talking through the answers to this worksheet. It is quite tricky with you not having seen the demo. However, we will be back soon and I will be able to show you. So that'll be lovely. So part A, what is electromagnetic induction? I'm lazy, so I'm just writing EM. Induction is the inducing, remember we're using that keyword, of electric current in a wire by moving it in a magnetic field. Describe how you could use the apparatus to demonstrate electromagnetic induction. So you've got a wire attached to an ammeter and a magnetic field there. You basically want to move the wire in the magnetic field. Observe ammeter, or observe current flowing, should we say, in the ammeter. What would you see on an ammeter? Now, whilst the wire is moving, very important, it's got to be that movement. Current flowing. What effect would swapping the magnets have? The current would flow in the opposite direction. Op direction. So hopefully that's fairly straightforward. Right, moving a magnet inside an electric coil produces a trace on a cathode ray oscilloscope. Now, we haven't used oscilloscopes, but we will. They're just a machine which shows you traces. You can use them for sounds as well. When a magnet was pushed inside the coil, trace A was produced on the screen. Lovely. Explain how trace B could be produced. Now, can you see it's in the opposite direction? That means if you're getting trace A by pushing the magnet in to the coil, you'll get trace B by pulling it out. You'll be going the opposite direction. So, pull magnet out of coil. Explain how trace C could be produced. Now, trace C is clearly a combination of the two above. So you're going to push the magnet in to get the top bit and then pull it out again to get it to get the bottom. So push magnet in, then pull it out of coil. C, explain how trace D could be produced. So you can see there are lots of in, out, and it's going fairly fast. So push in and out very quickly. And repeat. Now, is this question 3? Yes. This is one you had to do a bit of research on. Use a diagram to explain how a dynamo works. Now, have a little look at this diagram. You have a magnet and a coil. Now, presumably, you want that magnet to be moving in the coil. Then you have wires to the light and the wheel. And that wheel is attached here to a cogwheel. Now, hopefully you found that as the wheel goes round, it turns the cogwheel. So as you're cycling, it turns the cogwheel. That then rotates the magnet. And by rotating, you are moving the magnet, which means every time it's rotating, it will be creating current in the coil, which goes on to light the light. So, cycling turns the wheel, which turns the cog, which rotates the magnet. In the coil. Current is produced that lights the lamp. Let's call it the lamp. Right, hopefully that's fairly straightforward. Please let me know if you've got any issues. Thank you.